cute. Drop it.
No.
Don't drop it. Okay. Whatever.
Okay, when
It's
I'm
the end of my
cleaning off
cupcake.
the table.
Oh, wow, and you ate the good part. Okay. And
Yeah, she gets the good part.
alright.
You're taking video, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is Domination DJ.
99.
I don't like DJing, by the way. It stands for Dark James. Just let me know.
Should I take a big one now? I like it.
Don't care.
This one's not so what? Ooh, this one.
Lucy, go put the stuff back in the fridge, please. Okay.
This is what I'm doing. Just wiping the stuff.
Can't follow me, Mom. Don't let Joey follow me.
James, table.
I cleaned off the table.
You took off the newspaper. Get a washcloth and wipe it off. Lucy, you gotta
While Olivia eats some muffin.
put the rest away. You can eat one on your way over to Ben's house.
No, she's not helping me at all.
She's gonna sweep the floor when you're done wiping off the table.
What?
Oh, there it is. Put it away. Pickle. No, those are peppers. Peppers, yep. Lucy, put the bottles away. Thank you.
You know what? I'm not gonna. If it falls on
Yeah, that one too.
Oh,
Good job, baby. Is that Daddy's? No? Shake, shake. Okay, Lucy, say bye. Lucy, bye.